Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to find and extract hidden YouTube video tags using a free online tool. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube Tag Extractor tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, you will see a field labeled YouTube video URL. Now, go to YouTube and copy the link of any video you want to analyze, whether it's a top competitor or a video in your niche that's getting thousands of views. Come back to the tool and paste the video link directly into the URL field. Next, click on the Extract Tags button. The tool will instantly generate your results under the Extraction Results section. Here, you'll see a clean card featuring the video's thumbnail, its full title, and real-time stats including total views, likes, and comments. On the right, it will show total tags. If you look down at the extracted keywords box, you will find all the hidden tags organized neatly into separate, easy-to-read badges. You can click the little copy icon next to any individual keyword to copy them one by one. Or, if you want to save all of them at once to use for your own video optimization, simply click the Copy All button at the top right of the keyword section. You now have a complete list of high-performing SEO tags ready to paste into your next YouTube upload.